Do you know that seagulls are highly adaptable birds with some interesting behaviors? These avian creatures are known for their scavenging nature and their ability to thrive in various environments, including coastal areas, urban settings, and even inland habitats. One fascinating fact about seagulls is their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have been observed using creative tactics to obtain food. For example, some seagulls drop hard-shelled prey, such as clams or mussels, from heights to crack them open and access the tasty contents inside.